Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. Not much going on uh, as far as build progress. I did get some embossing powder on the floor of my Porsche group build, my Tamiya 911 Turbo. I might give this a shot. It's in there pretty good. I used some embossing powder, like I said. I tried using Tamiya Flat Clear as an adhesive, and it was kind of so I went on the Lucas C Facebook page and did a search, and somebody talked about using some thinned Elmer's glue. So if that doesn't work out, I'll probably try that. But you're not going to see much of what is in the cockpit because of all the black leather Porsche interiors I've seen. It's basically a void. It's the all black. There's hardly any other colors in there. I think one has a red dot for one of the climate control buttons. Did some hand painting of the engine and the transaxle. Did a little bit of that today. Probably gonna have to give it a second coat because it's not quite covering. I watched a video of Lourdes Rex is talking about using Tamiya paint retarder to brush paint it to get it to come out right, and I tried it and it didn't. It basically just made it thinner. Maybe I added too much. We have to try again. We'll have to see. The other thing for my stash ad that I got, there's only one. I got this Toyota Mr. 2 with an awesome body kit on it. I was telling Billy Strange that he was talking about wide body kits that he was a sucker for him, and I bought this. I ordered this a while ago, and I thought because it said AW11, I thought there was something special about it. But I guess that's just the code name for the MR2 that had the 1.6 liter engine in it instead of, I think the base engine was 1.5 or something like that. I thought it looked very cool. I think I have a regular stock version. I don't know if it's a Fujimi or an Aoshima Mr. 2 this generation. I think I have the second gen too. I'm not sure, but it's been a while. I went to a model club meeting a couple weeks ago. Had a great time. Went to the secretary Sean and his wife Chandra's house. They live in otaku heaven. I was just amazed as how much manga Chandra had, and I also learned a very valuable lesson. My usual bench is a banquet table, which is about I guess desk high. When a group of us were over at their house, their table is about chest high on me when I sat. So, and I didn't get tired. Usually I get tired from hunching over my desk while I'm building. So I'm going to get a new work surface and some legs to put a table that's about chest high when I sit down. And it makes it much easier, much more comfortable. And I sat there, I think I was there for 5 hours. I got up once or twice maybe, but I didn't go away with a sore back like I normally do when I spend a lot of time at the bench. Learned a lot. Enjoyed being over there. Had a great time. Hopefully I can do it again. Couple of weeks. We have another club meeting, but I won't be going to that because I'll be going with my friend Eric to the Good Guys show in Pleasanton. Hopefully he's not 2 hours late. This is going to be his third strike if he does. And then September, on the 12th of Thursday, I believe it is, I'm going to go to San Francisco and check another one of my bucket list bands, Love Bites. It's a great Japanese all-female speed metal band. I'm going to be seeing them at a small club in San Francisco. Can't wait. It's going to be great. I actually paid a lot of money to get to the meet and greet, so I get to meet the ladies in the band, get to talk to them. That'll be very cool. Get my picture taken with them, I believe is what they said you get to do. It'll be awesome. And I'm looking forward to it. I'm hopefully can get this Porsche wrapped up here maybe next weekend, because I just have some painting on the body to do, the black trim. I watched some videos of people building this kit, and not many of them, I think I've only seen 2 so far, tackle the black rubber trim around the spoiler, the whale tail. I'm going to try and do that. My skills aren't that great at taping, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to at least give it a try. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.